Hello, what's up guys? My name is Ishmael Nzioka. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make a homemade pizza. This is my pizza, looking beautiful, and this pizza has been made from home. So hope you stay with me and let me show you all my ingredients all the way. I'll make this pizza to look this beautiful, nice without oven. All right, make sure to subscribe, like and comment, and share this video with your friends and family so that you can make a nice pizza even in the village using firewood. You can make this pizza using firewood. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to be using 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix that together. Make sure you mix everything together very well, because you want to make sure that the yeast is well mixed, because this is an instant yeast. After you've mixed everything together, you're going to add warm water. So make sure you use warm water because you want the yeast to react as much faster as possible. So at this point I'm using 1 cup of water. Sorry. So at this point I'm going to be using my hands. So you can make pizza at home without oven. You can make your own pizza at home without oven, and that is what I'm going to be showing you today. So at this point I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. This is salad or salami, depends where you're coming from. This video is being made from Kenya, Africa. So you add 2 tablespoons of oil, mix all that in together very well. Okay, now we're going to let that sit for at least 30 minutes, and so we're going to cover it up for 30 minutes, and then we're going to prepare our toppings. So it's been almost 45 minutes and you can see our dough has increased in size. So we're gonna just debolt that. So as you can see, it's looking good. So we have to cut this into 2 halves. Because it's too big, we're gonna be making 2 pizzas, but I'm just gonna record 1 for you guys. So the first thing, you add some oil. You see I added some oil. This is just to make sure that your pizza doesn't stick. So you add your dough, one half of the dough. Then use your hands to just make it of that size of your pan. Guys, you can make pizza from home using even firewood. So there we go. So we're just gonna now add our toppings. So what is remaining is our toppings, and for this case, so now we're gonna add our toppings. So this is a homemade topping, like the sauce, I mean. So if you want to see a video of me making this sauce, just comment on the comment section. I love this sauce. It's just, everything is homemade and it's so nice, looking so good. All right, so the next thing that we're gonna add is the cheese. I have my cheddar cheese, so we're gonna sprinkle that cheese on the top there. I don't usually use a lot of cheese because I'm a cheese guy, but I don't usually love a lot of cheese because, you know, I don't want to be obese. But if you want more cheese, you can add. For me, I don't love much. So for my toppings, I'm a veggie guy as well, so I just want to make this pizza as much relatable and simple as much as I could. So this is green pepper that I'm using as my toppings, just small chunks of green pepper, just putting on top. Then, so this is my Vienna, and I'm gonna be adding it on top. So here we go. Just gonna be placing them on top. These are like the sausages. I don't know how you call them in your country. You can use smokies, depends on how you call them in your country. Yeah, I just need to space them a little bit. You can use whatever toppings you need. You can use mushrooms, you can use anything that you want. And there we go. What a beautiful pizza. So this is it, guys. So you need to turn it on a low heat, and then place your pizza. There we go. And then you need to poke your pizza a little bit. Like you see, it's already coming up, so you need to poke it so that you can be able to breathe. I guess that's the English I need to use. I usually poke it with my fork, I mean. Yeah, that pizza is looking nice. This is gonna be a very good pizza when it's done. So yep, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese over here because I need, I'm a cheese guy though, even if I don't take much cheese. All right, so we're gonna close it. So I don't have an exact lid for here, but I have this lid, so I'm just gonna use it. So there we go. So we're gonna wait for another 25 to 30 minutes, then it's gonna be ready. I'll see you when it's done. Then here, guys, is our pizza. It's ready. Look at how beautiful that pizza is. Wow, That's homemade pizza. Thank you guys for watching. That's gonna be a very tasty pizza. Then that's how you make your own pizza at home. So please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, tell me your thoughts on the comment section. Go and try and come back and comment and tell me if it came out like mine, if it was nice, if it was sweet, beautiful, delicious, all that. My name is Ishmael Nzioka. Thank you so much for watching.